Oh, hey! Welcome to the garden. Memorial Day weekend. Thought I would bring you along for a potting soil pot up. I'm making a potting soil for my VegTrug, which you may have seen me make earlier this week. It's ready. I'm going to put tomatoes, kale, Swiss chard, oregano, basil, so many fun things in there. So now I just need to make the soil for the vegetable garden. So I make soil for every plant I have. I don't buy the potting soil. There are a lot of reasons for that. You never know how old it is, if it has spores in it, if it has bugs in it. And I think it's cheaper, frankly, to just make your own if you can. Or when quarantine is over, you're welcome to come over in New York City and we'll make it together. So here I'm mixing equal parts sphagnum moss and compost, and then adding in sand, perlite, water, and amendments like lime and fertilizer for the tomatoes. Okay, I finished my first probably, 15-gallon of soil. Before I put this in the trug, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make sure that the trug is aerated on the bottom. Okay, I'm here with my VegTrug. So I'm going to pot it up with the soil that I've just made. I'm sure I'm going to need to make more soil, but it's a process. But I'm first going to add my secret ingredient, which are packing peanuts. I don't purchase these, to be clear, but of course they come sometimes still. And these are the ones that don't biodegrade, that don't turn into soap, sadly. But what they do well is provide aeration in the bottom of a container. So I put them in the bottom of almost any container I'm working with, and then put the soil on top of that so that the soil doesn't become too compacted. Gravity, of course, is always pulling all of us down, and we want the roots to be able to have nice aeration when they go down into the soil. So watch me add my secret ingredient. Oh, you'll want to do this on a day that's not too windy. You'll see why. Y'all, welcome back to day 2 of planting up this VegTrug. I am going to lay out now my tomatoes, peppers, basil, complementary herbs, oregano, and maybe some carrots. I'm not going to put in cabbage or anything where they'll be competing for nutrients with my tomatoes. I've grown all of these tomatoes from seed. I bought some of the peppers and herbs. But I also grew the basil from seed, so I'm ready to plant those in together. So stay with me. Here we go.